at this point, guys. I have been slacking on my uploading for this marathon. I didn't, I guess, take into account that I was trying to really give some thick, time-wise content that was going to take some time to edit and upload. I didn't calculate the time right, and by the third day, the struggle hit. But I'm staying strong on this 9-day marathon. If you are down to see if I finish this marathon successfully, then make sure you go on and subscribe. Make sure you go on and hit that notification bell so you can be updated on when I post a new video. Today's video is going to be the making of my dream board. I'm so excited to make this. I have never made a dream board. I've always had people tell me that I should, but I've just never done it. Now, I've already pre-cut a lot of the pictures, but some pictures I'm going to change around. Honestly, nothing's even glued down right now, guys. I just kind of have a tentative pattern. So I just wanted to motivate you guys to just really put your dreams in front of you. When you can physically see your dreams, you're able to grab onto them and you're able to make them a realistic goal. The 2018 year, I have so much that I want to accomplish. Like I said, if you guys didn't see my 10 goals for 2018, then go check that video, because that's basically the images, the idea that I'm going for with my dream board. So if you are excited to see my dream board, then go on and stay tuned for this video. Okay guys, so I am finished with my dream board. I'm going to do a close-up of the full thing. This is going to conclude my dream boarding video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was something new. Let's just all reach our goals in 2018. So I just wanted to motivate somebody who may have had ideas of making a dream board and maybe haven't done it this year or have never done it. This is my first time, guys. I highly suggest doing it. Like, even making it made me feel so happy and just really pumped for the 2018 year. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you are liking this content that I've been dropping for this beginning of January. And if you feel inclined, go on and share this video with somebody who may be looking for some inspiration on how to make a dream board. And with that, guys, it's going to be the end of my video. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.